and welcome to my channel, guys. So today I will be giving an update about the Portronics USB cable that I had purchased and that got broke within few days. But as the USB comes with 6 months of warranty, I have contacted the Portronics team via email on April 21st. Then they instantly gave me two options, one being to send the cable back to them, and upon reaching to the Portronics hub they will further proceed with the replacement, and the second option being to cut the cable into 3 to 4 pieces and sew them in the form of images, and then they will replace it with a different one. Then I went with the second option, as the first option will take a longer time. So I made the cable into pieces in this manner and mailed them the images on 27th May. Then after that, no update was given from their side. I then waited for 2 to 3 days but didn't receive any mail. Then again I mailed them asking about the update. Then they replied that the tracking details will be updated soon. And on 7th June I contacted them. They gave me the tracking ID, but at the same time I got a call from the courier service. Went to get the courier and voila, it was a parcel from Portronics, and here's the unboxing video. This is the parcel I have received. It is nicely packed by them, and it's a brand new piece. The color is also the same as the previous one, and well, thanks to Portronics for providing the replacement product, and I hope it will last longer this time. And the follow-up video came late. That's because of me. I had some personal issue. The response from Portronics was on time, and this is not a sponsored video by Portronics. That's all in this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe. See you all in the next video.